Welcome to People Tech Contact Center CRM. This is the agent login screen. This is for the predictive dialer where you are going to get the outbound calls. So username and password. Username is Preeta and password is also the same. I'm logging in. So this is the agent screen where I'm just now logged in. So I'm just waiting for the call. Here you can find the tabs of agent ID number, agent name, display name, campaign which you have been under the which campaign, record ID, answer calls, total calls, and duration of the duration of this login. So I'm just waiting for the call here now. Call will be landing now. So now I've got the call from the customer. So this is the format this is a format which you will get now. This is a company name, contact name, relation type, uh, then the primary contact number. This is the default address. This is the default address format which we have given here. So you can add comments over here. Then you can when the customer says call back, you can note down the date and you can call. Then you can call output. So if you give the call back later and if you dispose the call, the screen will be disposed. Here you can find dispose, hold. You can hold the call, you can unhold the call, you can transfer, you can add comments to this data. You can send SMS, you can send email, conference, and click to call. For making a conference, you have to click to call, then you have to put conference so that you can get conference. Then the transfer, it's all about you can transfer this call to another agent. So this now I'm going to dispose this call back later, so I'm disposing it. So again I'm waiting for the another call. So this is for pass. You can pass the whenever you go for the breaks or something, you can pass, and again you can unpause it. So now I'm getting the another ID. So this is a call output where I'm disposing it. So I'm waiting for the another call. So I'm logging out.